Hello, welcome to another edition of Inside Jokes RV. This is yours truly, Joe Shelton. All right, today's project. If you watched the last project, I made a sink cover. And as I was sitting there thinking about that sink cover, and I looked at my stove top, be cool to have a little cover of that. And I can even add more counter space. So this project is about making a burner cover for a Coachmen Cadet travel trailer. Stay tuned.
Me and my RV. Me and my RV.
All right, my first step is here are my dimensions. If you can read that, got 14 inches wide, 19 inches width, this way, length, and I guess deep, 14 that way. Then I got about an inch space between my sink and the top right there. And height wise, it needs to be about 2¼ inches height, because I got some knobs right there that I don't want to, when I close the cover down, I don't want to press down on those knobs. So about 2½ inches high should give me enough clearance for that. So now I'm going to draw these measurements on the my board here. Now 14 inches this way. 14. 14. 14. 3 reference. Alright, stop from that. So this needs to be 14 too. Picture the same here. It is. So that way. Please go that way. That way. Now we can measure from the inside there. That's my basics. These are the basics. process of wood. Use some wood glue. I got my hair done. I'm gonna use some these red finish nails. So tack it in. I'm gonna start with these ones here first. I'm gonna try to use a get my like that. Just to initially get the coating in place. Just to initially hold this in place. So let's do this first. I'm gonna check my sure what side I want to be the top side. Got that knock mark there. I think this side here looks a little better from the top side. So I was right. All right. So let's put a little wood glue. Nice thick bead wood glue. Try to find those as best as I can. Just enough to hold on for a second. Turn this a little bit more. Take it down with this. See if this can get up in here. Start down so I'm okay, need more pressure on that. Take that one down. See that. There we go. Take my hammer. Put that one down. Just wait till I get all of them there and hammer it in. So let's drop the other side. Wood glue. Nice bead. There. One right here. almost 3 square feet of space. But it's right up, I guess, or inside the cabinet, all these glass on grill. So, if you want space to sit there, okay, now I'm going to use my router to round out these edges, clean up the look a little bit. Here's my router, little handheld router. Also, pick this up at the pawn shop. Alright, so this one. Just that little simple thing, just that rounding off of the edges gives it just a little more professional look. It just cleans up the whole look of it. Just something that simple, curving off those edges. All right, my next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start sanding down everything. All right, let's take a look at the finished product. There it is. I really like how the type of paint I used again was this Krylon Fusion all-in-one hammered finish. And so I used the gray because the backsplash and the sort of the interior of the camper is sort of a gray color. And it looks pretty doggone good. That's my stove cover. I also went ahead and redid my sink cover in that same paint. So now it's going to better match the decor. I also did right here. I bought this little drawer handle from Lowe's. It's like $4. Sort of nickel plated. And a couple screws on there. So when I sit this down over the stove, I lift it up. I have something to sort of a handle to sort of carry it by. Maybe to use it something else also. So that just gives me a few more square feet of counter space in the RV, along with the sink cover. All right, that's the finished product. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share. Leave me some comments if something you think I could have done better, or just give me some thumbs up, and I'll be glad to answer any questions. If there are any other details you need about how this project was made, please just hit me up in the comments, and we'll get back to you on the next episode. Peace.
Me and my RV.